Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you the Uber Eats vehicle requirements. First, all you gotta do is to go directly onto the Uber's driver's page, and here's what you need to become a delivery driver using Uber. First is using a delivery by car. Be at least 19 years old and have a 2 or 4-door car, and have a valid driver's license into your name and submit your social security number before run a background screening. They also have a delivery by scooter. First is 19 years old and have a motorized scooter under 50cc and have a valid driver's license in your name, and then submit your social security number for us to run a background screening. And then when signing up, be sure to choose delivery by scooter under the transportation method. And now we have here the delivery by bicycle or on foot. Be at least 18 years old and have a government issued ID, and then submit your SSS number for them to check your background screening. And then when signing up, be sure to choose the delivery by bicycle and in certain cities, or delivery by bicycle or foot under the transportation method. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.